Now I'll show you a sample of the curriculum plan documentations which is available in AussieChildcareNetwork.com. For this sample, I'm just going to choose the daily curriculum plan using the play-based learning format. Now that I'm ready to begin, I'm going to click on this button here, click to open. This will now open up in a PDF document, and this will either open up in a new tab or a new window depending on your web browser settings. Now, as you can see, the daily curriculum plan is all ready for you to use. Now I'm just going to explain in a little bit of detail the different elements to this plan. So in the middle section here, you notice that there are different boxes. So what you need to do is, in each of the boxes, write down an experience or the activity that took place in your room for that day. You've also got some different fields here where you can input the learning outcome and input keys. I'll explain this further in my next video. Down the bottom here, you've got each of the learning outcomes. I'm just going to zoom in for that for you. And as you can see, here are the different learning outcomes. You've got learning outcome 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You've also got a box here where you can input any parent feedback and suggestions, and you've got the input keys over here which you can refer back to. Now I'm just going to zoom out. You can always use these zoom out and zoom in features when you're filling in the form. At the top here, you've got some different areas for you to fill in. You've got the date. You can select the room you're in, and here you write down the name of the educators or teachers in the room. You've also got an option here where you can insert your centre logo, and you've got a button here where you can add more rows. Now what this basically means is that when you're filling in your activities and experiences, if you need more boxes, you just click on this button here, and it will add another row of boxes where you can fill in your activities and experiences. If you need less boxes or you'd like to delete boxes, that's very easy. You just click on the X button that's located on the left and confirm. This is just a little confirm saying if you want to delete the row, you just click on yes, and this will delete the row for you. So you can have as many rows or as little rows as you want, but you need to at least have one row. And I'm just going to click on the button to add more rows, and there you go. Also, there is a page 2, and if you just scroll down, there is a list of questions here. I'm just going to use the zoom in and zoom in for you. Okay, here we go. Now these are the curriculum reflection questions, and it's just a checkbox where you select either yes or no, and that's just to make sure that you've covered everything in the curriculum plan. So hopefully this will give you a bit of a better understanding of how you can fill in the daily curriculum plan. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll show you exactly how to fill in each of the various fields.